Hello student, this is NCERT Maths class 10th exercise 3.7 question number 8. The question is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral as shown in the figure 3.7. Find the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. As we know that in cyclic quadrilateral sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle C and angle B plus angle D must be 180 degree. So if angle A plus angle C is 180 degree, so put the value of angle A and angle C. So angle A is 4y plus 20 and angle C is minus 4x. So we get y minus x equals to 40 degree. So let's equation 1. Again, other opposite pairs, that is angle B plus angle D is 180 degree. Angle B is 3y minus 5 and angle D is minus 7x plus 5. So after rearranging we get 3y minus 7x equals to 180 degree. Now solve equation 1 and 2 by elimination method to find x and y. So multiply equation 1 by 7 and subtract equation 2. So x will be cancelled out. So we get 7y minus 3y, that is 4y equals to 100. So y equals to 25 degree. Now put value of y in any one equation. So we get x equals to minus 15 degrees. So now put the value of x and y in the respective angles to get the angle A, B, C and D. So angle A will be 4y plus 20, that is 4 into 25, 100 plus 20, that is 120, and angle B is 3y minus 5. So 25 into 3, 75 minus 5, that is angle B equals to 70 degree. Angle C is minus 4x degree. So minus 4 into x is minus 15, that is 60 degree. And angle D is 5 minus 7x. So 5 minus minus plus 7 into 15, 105. So angle D is 110 degree. That is the